Ever wake up feeling like you're just not enough? Like no matter how hard you try, that little voice in your head keeps whispering doubts? You are not alone. But what if 3 powerful mantras could silence that voice and turn hesitation into confidence? Inspired by Swami Vivekananda, these aren't just feel-good words. They're daily tools to rewire your mind. Ready to flip the script? Let's begin. Welcome to Self-Discovery, where we bring timeless teachings to meet the challenges of modern life. Today, we're going to dismantle self-doubt one mantra at a time. Because when your mind is your ally, nothing can stop you. And who better to guide us than Swami Vivekananda, the fearless monk who believed that strength, not weakness, is the path to truth. Mantra 1. I am enough. This might be the most important sentence you say all day. I am enough. Say it slowly. Say it again. Feel it. This mantra anchors your worth in the present, not in your achievements, your looks, or others' approval, but in your very existence. As Vivekananda said, you are the soul, free and eternal. You are not the body, the mind, nor the ego. Try this now. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes and say it. I am enough. Repeat it for 30 seconds every morning. At first, it might feel awkward. That's okay. That's your old programming resisting. But with time, this daily ritual becomes your new baseline, a mindset of self-acceptance and inner peace. Why it works? Modern neuroscience backs it up. Repeating affirmations creates new neural pathways. When you consistently say, I am enough, you're literally reprogramming your brain to believe it. Bonus practice. Write it down in a journal. List 3 things you appreciate about yourself. This isn't self-indulgent. It's self-preservation. Mantra 2. I trust my path. In a world obsessed with speed, competition, and overnight success, it's easy to feel lost.
This mantra, I trust my path, reminds you that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Swami Vivekananda once said, stand up, be bold, and take the whole responsibility on your shoulders. The moment you say, I am responsible for everything, that very moment you will become strong. Try this now. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. Recall a moment when you trusted your instincts and it worked out. Now say, I trust my path. Feel the peace in that, how it helps. This mantra reduces anxiety. When you trust your path, you stop comparing your journey to others. You let go of control and start focusing on effort over outcome. Bonus practice. During meditation, visualize a winding path through a forest. It's your path. Unique, unfolding, mysterious, yet right. Trust it. Walk it. Mantra 3. I claim my power. This is your call to action, your fist pump moment. I claim my power is about stepping out of the shadows and owning your story. Swami Vivekananda declared, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Try this now. Stand tall, literally. Feet grounded, spine straight. Look up. Now say, I claim my power. Say it 5 times. Feel the energy rise in your body. This is not about ego, it's about remembering who you are. When to use it? Use this mantra when you feel small, invisible, or overlooked. Use it before interviews, before difficult conversations, before you show up for yourself. Bonus practice. Pair it with movement, yoga, walking, or even dancing. Let your body and mind move in alignment. Power lives in action. Here is your 3-mantra toolkit to crush self-doubt and reclaim your confidence. I am enough. You don't need to earn your worth, you already have it. I trust my path. You're not behind, you're becoming. I claim my power. You are not a victim. You are the hero of your story. Your challenge. Try these mantras daily for the next 3 days. Start your morning with them. Write them down. Speak them out loud. Let them become your
mental armor. Tell me in the comments, which mantra spoke to you the most? Let's support each other. You never know who needs to hear your story. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more of Swami Vivekananda's daily wisdom for real-world problems, make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember this, You are enough. You are on the right path. And you are more powerful than your doubts. Namaste.